Great, 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 great. So, there we go. This is Felix Sumeda is a Jimo, and a very quick one to everyone. You're watching me live, or you're getting this video through a recorded version. So, I want you to guys take it very seriously. I have something very quick to share with us, and a quick summary of our AI bot system. And I have two major AI system on my platform, and basically we have one. The first one we have AI bot on retail AI trading, a bot system. That's one, and we have national AI bot system. Okay, many persons are finding it very difficult to learn and sit down with understanding of AI bot system. And so I'm going to take you the opportunity you have to leverage on AI bot system. The first one I have is called Three Commerce, and that's a retail AI system. Number one, Three Commerce is an AI system that help retailers to get connected, and you can learn how to use it and to connect with your exchange platform. And it's not going to take your money or to get your money withdrawn by the system. So the system is just to connect and leverage on the bot system or the software, system to trade for you while you're not there. So you trade for you and take your profit, but you have to do all the settings for yourself. And so there are fundamental and fantastic opportunity around the AI system of retail. Number one is that it's cheaper, to make use of. And so maximum you need to get started with Three Commerce. I used so many AI system, but for the past 2 years plus now, I've really enjoyed using Three Commerce. So the maximum you need to get started if you use my link to sign up on Three Commerce, then the maximum you need to sign up is um, about say $594 in a year, and so yeah, you can get our sign up to do a yearly subscription of $594. So together, let's talk about $650. So if you don't have enough money, then you can go for advanced. And you can read more about why advanced and why the pro, and of course all the additional services you can have. But I don't have enough money. I'm not a professional trader to the core. Then you can get started using the advanced. So you need about $594 and give and take 350 because of charges and all that. Just get ready with that. And you want to sign on, and so you need to sign on, and you can get my link in the comment portion below, and then you get started with Three Commerce. Now, once you sign up, you have services to enjoy on Three Commerce, which I've said it's a retail IA system. So you can use a smart trade to trade. You can use DCA bot. You can use Greek bot. You can use option bot. The most used aspect of Three Commerce is the DCA bot and then the smart trade. If you look at it, when you get your account activated, and I always tell people when you sign on Three Commerce, and the first thing is that if you use my link, when you click on the link, don't click on sign up, but click on get started. When you click on get started and put your email and put your password, go to your email and verify your email. But before you activate your account, ensure you come on here and then click on settings, and under terminate account, ensure you have a referral code reflecting TC277692. What's the implication? If you do not use my link, yeah, of course, you will not be privileged to have 10% discount that will make you to pay $594 if you're using Pro. And if you're activating for professional, if you're activating for advanced, now you will be you rather than pay $441, you're paying $294. So if you don't use link, you may pay more than what I ask you to pay. So you have to check on that terminator. Can you see something like a code? They say your referral code, your sponsor referral code is going to read 27 TC277 3C277692, and that's the link. And so if it's not there or it's not applied, then you have to type it on the place to say apply. Now, once you're done with that, the next thing you are meant to do is to, first of all, you can use this Three Commerce bot for the first 3 days trials. It's going to allow you to use 3 days trials without paying a dime and to experiment how to use the bot. And if you love what you are seeing using the bot, then why not? Then you can now say to activate your account. Another good thing about the bot is that you can even use the free 3 days trials After the 3 days trial, you can still use free account, but all of this you can't set unlimited boats, so you can only have one boat set for this year boat, smart trade one, everything one, 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 one. So unlike this, now if you look at it, I have so many boats open on my own, so I just leave everything, and so it's trading. I do what I'm doing. The first advantage of the boat is to ease your trading, so you do not need to be in the market at all time. You can go away, and then the boat continue to trade for you. You can see now it's saying I'm having how many active boats? I think I have about 40 to 50 active boats open, and then they continue to trade. I'm not here to put you through on how to trade, but just to show you that the trade commerce IA boat is a fantastic thing. If you look at it now, look at the coin, HOT. Now, why do I use HOT? Of course, I do research, okay? I do research and I do some analysis, report for my community. I have a community of traders, and which I give signals on which coin to trade, when to buy, when to trade, and all of that. If you look at this coin now, I allocate $200 on it weekday, yesterday or 3 days ago on the 13th, making this recording on the 15th of March 2021, maybe when you're watching this. Now, on that day, I make $96, and the second day, I make $71, and today, so far, I make about $21. So altogether, I made $189 out of $200 within 3 days. Now, do I need to be there? No, I do not need to be there. The boat continue to trade for me, and as much as possible, retaining my profit. And that's one of the good things you enjoy using the AI boat, and why you do other things. Now the boat trade for you. So maybe you are the type that have been skeptical about crypto trading, and because you do not know how to go. Yeah, of course, you need basic, and that's why what we tell people today, trading is just so fantastic than you ever thought. You do what we call social trading, unlike the usual type of trading we used to have, before. And so you can trade and make a lot of money without necessarily knowing too much about crypto, about trading by yourself. So that's why the AI bot system is going to help you, enable you to make more money while you have not even perfected your strategy. And so if you look at, so many of the bots have done fantastic and very highly phenomenal. And sometimes you do not need too much money to get started. You can always add in more money. And that's why it's a retail AI system. So I have it as my retail AI system, and that's where you have, anyone can have access to it, and you can fund your account with any amount of money, minimum amount of money. It doesn't really need to have too much money to start trading with the Trade Commerce AI bot system. Okay, now you can see this account now. It has been trading. Yeah, this account was set up on the 24th of February, and it's not up to a month. Today is 15th of March 2020, and so in less than 1 month, how much was allocated to this? $250, and now it has made about $296 less than 1 month. So that means over 100% is already made in less than 1 month using the boat. Now, if you were the one, of course, you'll be tempted, you'll be so emotional, sometimes want to set up and all of that, and when to take profit, you probably will be fidgeting on when to take profit and when not to take profit. So, but the AI just trade, all you need just to come back, monitor, check what's happening, how is it going, and all of that. And so you can see so far today, I make about $110. Sometimes I make $500 in a day. Sometimes I make $300 sometimes. So what I said for myself, I say, if Alex, I want to be making about $50 or $100, worst case scenario every day. So if I do make $50 every day, so that is in a month, I can do $8,500, maybe trading with about $4,000. That's not a bad deal, man. And then if you do well in monitoring your boat very well, more, and then you can do more than expected. Of course, I've seen somebody who have been trading with Trade Commerce, and then within 2 months, 3 months, I've turned about $1,000 to about $4,000. That's not a bad one. And because we're in a bull run, and if you are not in a bull run, it may be a little bit slower than you expected. But the good thing is that your boat trade for you while you hold your peace. All you need is a basic. You may say, oh, it's too highly technical. That's why when you get started with me, with my link, I take responsibility to put my people through on how to use the DCA bot now, or how to use the bot generally. So once you sign up, the next thing that you need to do is what we call, my exchange connection. And so that means you have to go to your Binance and set up your Binance. But please, if you're using Binance or some of those exchange platform, you want to copy your API key. Now, it may not be supported using the app, so you have to log into the web of Binance in order to do that. What you do, you come here to your profile, and then you see like API management. You click on API management, and once you do that, it's going to open up where you need to create a name for your boat. So I can call my boat name Plan B Binance, So you just need to give it a name. So you said what? Label API key. So I can say Plan B Binance. All right, Plan B Binance. Okay, everything is together. And then I say click on create boat. So it's going to ask you to send all this code. And once you send it, put your Google Authenticator, you click submit. And once you do that, you're going to have this something like this. Show you API key and at the same time API secret or secret key. So copy them one after the other legibly and ensure that first copy the secret key, paste it maybe your notepad, your WordPad, and label it secret key, and come back to copy this and call it API key. So the two are copied. Why do I say to copy and paste first? Because when you close this place, maybe you log out, you come in, it's going to show here. That's what it's called secret. And so without this, that API will not function. So you paste it somewhere. Then once that is done, assuming you have copied the two, then you have to go to your three commas and then go to my exchange. And so it's Binance. Now here you put the name. I said Plan B Binance. Okay, something like this. Then I put the API key. Then let's say you have copied the API's secret, paste it, and then click on connect and exchange. Once that is done successfully, then your account is connected. Your three comma is connected with your Binance exchange platform or whatever exchange you want to add to it. And that you are done with that, then you are good to go. And now, so once you are ready, you want to get started. Of course, you've signed up with my link, and then you chat up with me on how to fire on with your training and all of that. So you can make a whole lot of money just leveraging on it. The another good advantage is that you can make money again inviting your friends, maybe athletes. Like I have some friends that I've invited, so I'm not a good network marketer, but I shared with friends, and you can see now I made about this month. I've made about $764. Yeah, not so in total about made $2,456 in this account. And so, but I'm not this type that I'm passionate about. I'm not a network marketer per se, okay? But any number of person who I sign on, all right. I think you showed me that I've been making totality. I've made about $2,800. So, but any number of person you sign on, okay, you're gonna make 25% of the subscription fee of that individual. So it make a lot of sense. So the DCA, the Three Commas boat is a retail boat system, so you can make money. So you can copy your link and give to your friends. And then, why do I say your link? Yeah, it's not a network marketing process, an affiliate system, but you are not depending on that because I use the boat. You can see now my boat has been working for me. If you look at it on log, this boat was activated last year, December, or no, September. Yeah, I'm not an aggressive trader, and I've made about $11,700 and equity of about $4,000. So September, October, November, December, 5 months, 3 months. So in 8 months, so 2,000. That means on average, in 8 months, this is 12. This is 11,000, almost $12,000. So that means in 8 months with $4,000 in 8 months. $1,000. So $1,000 plus or thereabout. So stuff like that. So you can make a lot of money. Doing your trading. And so now the bottom line is this: this is retail boat system. So anyone can afford to get started with it. It can be very fantastic. Using this boat. Okay. Now this is what you're seeing here. Just like this is the DCA boat alone report on DCA boat alone. Now this is another money earned on Smart Trade alone. $416, you add it up to about $12,000 and all of that. So that's about $1,500 on average in a month. Now, so this is Three Commas AI boat system. So the second one I'm going to show to you is, all right, the second one I'm going to show to you right now is institutional AI system. And one of the institutional AI system is called Endotech. Okay, I'm going to show you Endotech. All right, I use the two and it can be very fascinating, very fantastic. I would like to. It has been very fantastic for me. I've been driving on this, and so I challenge anyone who is giving his money to third party to trade for them and giving them percentage, and every month they get frustrated because of funny scheme of people, and I don't think it's encouraged. You have to just work up yourself and then find out too. Now, one of the fantastic thing about Endotech is an additional AI trading platform. Is called Actionable Intelligence for FinTech. And how does it work? AI, Endotech is a company that only trade for institutional investors. Now, but now how much does it take? Look at the pricing. One of the platforms that make me to start researching more about, Endotech was Daisy, right? Daisy came up and then with a crowdfunding system and to leverage on the AI boot trading platform of Endotech and set up their crowdfunding matrix system for people to sign on and to be able to have create passive income for people there. But when I dig more, I want to join and I look at see what I saw. Institutional license gives access to the finest and most powerful delivery currently available within the global cryptocurrency market. It is an opportunity to connect up to $10 million into a successfully performing trading strategies to activate license. You pay an entry fee upfront. So you pay for license, then you pay an upfront, and then once payment is accepted, you're guided by a senior staff to choose and connect your strategy. So entry fee costs $125,000, guys. So these guys are not joking. For 1 year institutional license paid in this, Profit shares information upon request. So there's a profit share. Now, what's the difference between this AI and the 3Commerce AI? This is institutional AI system, while 3Commerce is retail AI system. What do we mean by retail? Anybody can access it. I'm not giving on how much should be the minimum you have to have in your account, because if you're paying $125,000 license in a year, what Endotech expected you to have in your account is minimum of $1 million as an institutional investor. And so, but because what I love in Endotech is not trading aggressively. I read a lot of things about the Endotech. I was so fascinated with so many fantastic things about Endotech. I was crazy. Why? I have to read these about their strategy on their trading softwares. So I read this when I come into Endotech. So introductions in cryptocurrency, high volatile, bring potential high returns, and but also extreme risk. So we saw over 94% in majors. In this case, the standard buy and hold approach does not really work. So therefore, we offer tactical investment strategies that is based on trend methodology. We aim to enter every large 10%, 50% trend at the beginning of it, and then not to exit in the middle. So we utilize AI-led smart filters to dictate, first breakout and not to miss retrends. Accordingly, all driving systems look for intelligent price entry point and exit as stop losses. So we have a strategy called alpha and beta, and how those things trade out. I'm not going to give you all of this thing together now. Now, what I have seen is that now, of course, when you talk about alpha strategy trade on future trading, okay? Why beta trade on spot trading? Just giving you some breakout and some previous reports and all of that. And so I think it's fascinating, but of course, alpha strategy have more risk than the beta strategy because of volatility and buying and all of that. So now, so it has been fascinating. So they've been doing their thing since 2018 in their using all these platforms. So I just joined. Now, you ask me, Felix, do you have $125,000 to join? No. So what did you do? Now, good thing. Now, if I need to look for $125,000 in a year to subscribe for, not 3Commerce, Endotech, why do I need that? Because Endotech trade for you, and your money is in your Binance or your exchange platform, that your Gemini, Bitfinex and all of that, or what's it called, Coinbase Pro and all of that. So, but if like now, I tell friends, I say, why would I give my money to third party where I can fund my account with Binance and then connect my Endotech with it and they trade for me? And I pay them little percentage every quarter, right? Having gotten my license. So rather than giving my money to third party, I rather be in charge of it. And then I do not need to be going and checking what's happening on my platform. So what's the good news? The good news is that I got involved with one of my fantastic friends from the US. My fantastic friend is called Ari McCoby. That has been my very fantastic friend for a very long time. And then was talking to me about sometime, if you want to have access to, never mind. I'm gonna cut off this. Want to have access to, call it for me. Want to have access to, okay. Want to have access to Endotech. I say, yeah, why not? I'm looking for a way, but Man, guys, I would like to use two burgers to get $125,000 for a year license. Say, what if I show you a platform that can make you have access to that? How will you feel? I was like, come on, that's super, super awesome. But how much am I going to pay? And he said, you know what? You're not going to pay $100,000. I said, what? You're not going to pay $50,000. I said, what? You're not going to pay $20,000. I said, what? You're not going to pay up to $10,000. I said, come on. The maximum money I need to use, was not up to $5,000. All I need to get access to Endotech through this fantastic company called Igenus is $3,600 a year. That's it. And now why? I just summarize everything because Igenus have what they call Crypto Elite. So these are products in Igenus, fantastic thing. They give breakout reports on Forex, on equity market, and so many other things. So I've not really explored those. I was much interested in the Crypto Elite. Why was I interested in Crypto Elite? Because I want to get connected to Endotech. So I said, okay, I want to get on board. I started with him, and then I started studying Igenus. I got access to Endotech, and I saw that it was been fantastic. You can see Endotech, and as a member, so what do I need? $3,600 number one now, because I want to pay everything as it go in a year. And so then the next is I connect my account on my Binance. I only need minimum of $1,000 in my exchange, and then I can do more than that. I can do unlimited amount of money, but I can have minimum of $1,000. So then I'll just pay an upfront. And how much upfront am I going to pay? Look at it, Felix. I only pay upfront of 10% of $1,000, which is $100. And then after 3 months of trading successfully, now whatever profit that Endotech has made for me, I pay 20% on the profits made for me every quarter, every 3 months. I think it makes a lot of sense because I'm not going to leave my hands. I just connect my boat and I move on. And so now if you're not an elite member, so you have to pay about 15% upfront, and then you're going to share 45% profit share with Endotech. Okay, so I've gotten access to Endotech. Oh, Felix, are you sure? Yeah, look at it. I have access to Endotech already. I'm going to show you that. Now, my Endotech account is connected, right? Because I've signed on Endotech. Okay, let me show you guys. Don't bother. I'm going to log out again. And so that's a fantastic things I just brought for you guys. Just a moment. I need to show us something. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. Come on, let's go here. Sorry, I need to bring out something from here. Where we go? Where are you? All right, guys, I'm coming. Yeah. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, I'm so happy because this thing has been so fascinating, and it has helped a lot of people in my community. I've put a lot of people through, and they have seen the better advantage of making use of this AI bot system. And one of my friends told me, say, hey, bro, if anybody is not using this bot system, he's changing himself. I discovered this because you do not need to have sleepless nights and all of those things to get started, on this platform right now. And so all you need is very, very simple. And so I said, wow, are you serious? He said, yeah. Anyone who's not using the bot is changing himself because the bot has been performing so big wonders. And so it's on that note, friends, I said, hey, you need to see this and you have to take advantage of it. Now you can see this is my Endotech account, okay? Connected to my AI. Look at my portfolio. I'm actually on, you may not understand all of the strategy. I'm actually on Elite ETH BTC Alpha. You can see that's why it's ticked. And then you can see my account. I'm trading and now my bot my Binance that's connected with this is actually here. You can see I don't come here to trade. I don't have time for trading on this, and you can see the strategy because they trade both in combinations of long future trading on Binance, so trading both Ethereum and at the same time BTC. So taking advantage of the breakout on the Ethereum and BTC, you can see now the Ethereum they enter into, BTC they enter into is at loss right now. I think they entered the market at 56,000. and then market is about 55,000 plus right now, and then I think they went short on this guy, $1,821, and the market is about $1,760 on Ethereum. And so far, so good. And my account started trading on look at it here, on the 18th of last month, all right? So it's not up to a month. So today is 15th, and so about 3 days to be up to a month that my account have got started, in trading on this bot. And I funded my account with $1,000. You can see on the 18th of March was when it got started. And so on the 18th so right now, how much is my account worth? Of course, there's a negative impact in the market right now. So, but I'm not following what they're doing now. I only copy their strategy because they post every update to me of what happened, what's trade is happening, and what one in sports and all of that. But good thing, even as the market is still very negative right now because they have entered market. So I'm still having about $2,359 in my account. And can you just believe that? Because this was entered into on the 18th of last month. So it's crazy, crazy, crazy. But doesn't really happen all the time. So what my own concern is that just to add more money here and they allow you to roll for the next 1 year. Now let me see what's going to happen for me. And so, if you have a lot of money, those money instead of giving to third party and you do not want to engage, maybe you do not have enough time. Me, I have enough time. I'm still trading, I'm doing research, I'm using 3Commas, but I still use Endotech. Because why? That's multiple streams of income for me. So I have less my stress of using the boat here. And so you can see here, blah, 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 blah. There's a moment. Yeah, there we go. I want to show you guys something. Yeah, here. You're going to see. So Endotech send me updates every time. Okay, you can see Endotech updates. Yeah, hold Ethereum position right here. Right? Yeah, they send me every update. Yeah, portfolio update, position held. Yeah. So you can see here. So I can click one to see. So as the trading is going on, I'm always getting reports. Okay, hold Ethereum short position. Okay, was sold at this, right? This current hold 96%. Stuff like that. So they share all these updates, on iTunes. And so it has been very fascinating because why? I'm just taking advantage and leveraging on IA. And so I expected everyone who want to maximize profit and less unnecessary waste of resources to third-party platforms. And I think I can seriously recommend AI bot system to everyone, both the retail AI system and the Isuna AI system. So if maybe you're still just a beginner, you do not have enough money and all of that, you can get started with the retail. And then when you are now having more money, you add up the AI system. But if you have enough money, how much does it take me? Like for instance, I want to start with 3Commas. Number one, what it takes you. So let's say $350 because of charges for advance. Number one, that's $350. Now the next thing to take you to fund your Binance maybe with $500, with $1,000. So if I fund my account with $1,000, that's $1,000 plus $1,000 plus call it for me, $1,000 plus. Hey guys, if you want to sign up here. Yeah. I want to show you in comment section. So if you want to sign on I want to show you in the comment section. Sorry, just a moment. Oh, okay, I'm not signing here. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, so there we go. So if you want to get started on the, okay, you want to take this, yeah. So my ID, if you want to sign on, is TC77, TC277962. You want to sign up on the 3Commas. So what it takes me, $1,000. If you want to start in 3Commas, $1,000, you're fine. Right? $1,000, you're fine, right? Yeah, absolutely. $1,000, yeah, you're fine to fund your account. What if I have less than that? Yeah, why not? You are still good to go. You have less than that, why not? You're still good to go. can still start your trading. It doesn't matter. So if I have less than that, I can still get started. All right. So when you get started with that, then you can now do $350 advanced package. That's $1,350. Now, what I would advise again is that if you do not have a platform, you do not have a group or community where you receive signal informations, on when to buy a coin, which coin to buy, at what rate to buy, when to exit the market, then I can tell you that you definitely need to subscribe for our platform, Be With Me Premium Group. So Be With Me Premium Group is a platform where you can get signal and get informations, reports, and strategy on how to manage your portfolios and all of that. So you can make a lot of money doing it. And one other thing about Tricommerce again is that you can go there and you will see other people's strategy, just like when you see here, they say popular, right? You see popular here, popular disabled. Just telling you that these guys, USDT, OMG, now that on the average, this person is making 2.9% every day. And so it doesn't matter that the bot is trading every day, but taking the average that this person is making, some money, and then show you again some of those ones that are on the future, live commerce trading field, future, Hull, these guys, MFT, KSM, right? So just giving you all of this, you can get all these updates of what's going on in trading. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this is a very fantastic thing that you can take for yourself to help yourself in your trading career and in cryptocurrency, and you want to make money. So I make money, but I don't give my money to third party. I don't give my money platform. We trade, we are a company we are reliable, the CEO is the best professional. No, I don't do that. So at least if you do not know how to trade at all and you have enough money, maybe you have. So I say if you want to start in the Tricommerce, and you can do the advanced with about 350, 294, but because of charges, $350. Then start trading. Even as low as $200, you can start trading. I've traded with $50. There was a particular coin I may not be able to search for it now, that I traded it with just $10, or was it $10? I've forgotten. And for 1 month, I've seen that has done about $140 in 1 month, trading with $10 or $30. I've forgotten. It doesn't a very little funny amount of money. Now it has traded that. So I may not have enough money, and then you can just be strategic. And so with that, so Felix, if I activate my account, $350 on Tricommerce, then I have $200, you can get started. Yeah, why not? So if I have $500, why not? $1,000, why not? So, but what I would advise you is that if you don't have access to platform for signals and you have some money, you can subscribe. You can chat out with me on my phone number +234 8036 9245 and 88. And you can chat out with me +234 8036 9245 and 88. And I can chat out on WhatsApp, and I can put you through. And then you want to be part of a platform called Be With Me Premium Group. So Be With Me Premium Group is Be With Me Premium Group is a platform where we do reports and analysis. What you need to be part of Be With Me Premium Group per year is $500. So $500, then you're part of our community, and then you're learning and then applying all the strategy we use together. So it's like copy and paste and social trading you are doing in our community. And so it makes a lot of sense when you are doing that. And so a lot of persons will come tell me, hey, Felix, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to trade. All you need is to, first of all, set it down. When you set it down, then you can learn a lot. But when you don't set it down, of course, I can tell you, you're going to be falling victim of funny group of people. So, ladies and gentlemen, now, then what's it called? Okay, look at this now. For instance, this was February 20th, and then that's made $90, and what was sent is $70. I'm actually looking for one that with a very little amount of money. So then the Endotech, $3,600. Now up to $3,600, so you can get started. Maybe with $1,000, $2,000. So give until you can assign just like $6,000 aside for your, Endotech hands-free. Remember, it's a hands-free trading. So you are trading without you lifting your hands. You don't need to come and check the boat. You don't need to be controlling the boat. You are not the one to do that. All you need is that you've paid and you connect your exchange platform to the boat, and then there you go. Start making money. Yeah, fantastic. You start making money. You don't need to have any trouble doing that. You start making money. So a lot of people have called me to ask me, Felix, I don't know what to do. I say, no, all you need to do is to set it down, learn the basics. And then once you get the basics, then you're good to go. But if you're not ready to learn the basics, then that's where you made a mistake. And what are the basics? Set up your boat and be in a community. Learn. And they're simple. Then you're making money. But if you're not ready to learn, then you always fall victim of funny schemes. So funny schemes are everywhere to take your money from your hand. Yeah, I know that. A lot of them are there to just take your money from your hand. So they're just telling you, hey, you know what? I can help you to make money this way, but they are not going to make any money for you. They leave you worse than they met you. Yeah, I can tell you that. They leave you worse than they met you. So the best is to settle down and want to learn how to do it by yourself, right? Yeah, let me check this guy's. I'm just looking for a coin. Yeah, this guy. $20 now, $40. Let's check this guy. $40. Yeah, this guy, okay, $134 and $40 was $40, and that was so it's a month plus now, okay, and $40 are giving $134. So it's not about how much you start with; it's about getting access to the right information and have the right state of mind, the best strategy, then you're making money. So that's how this. So Igenos have a lot of products. I don't have time to tell you that. You have training. You have access to a lot of training. You have access to breakout calls on forex, breakout calls on equity market, breakout calls on the crypto itself, and then all of things and strategy to follow and all of that. And you can equally make a lot of money, when you invite friends and you build a network in Igenos. So that makes a lot of sense. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. And I'm sure if you are really, really ready and you want to do well in this space, you just need to add value to yourself. So, other thing we do in Plan B Express, we have Crypto Academy. So, if you do not know how to trade at all and you want to learn about crypto, you want to have in-depth knowledge of cryptocurrency, then you have to inbox me again on my WhatsApp number, and then you can get trained properly in how to. So, our Crypto Academy, basic, you can get your own basic with $70, then intermediate, $100, and then we have advanced, you pay about $200, and masterclass, it's about $400. So you can get all of these. So just get value added to yourself and stop following funny schemes out there. So cryptocurrency is a fantastic stuff, but you need to settle down to learn the basics and to develop yourself as much as you can do. Thank you very much, everyone, for listening. And so if you get this video through your friend, contact your friend and ask him how do you get enrolled and how do you get started. If you get this video through me, myself, you can chat me on my phone number +23480 in 88. Or you can inbox me if you're watching me live on YouTube, or you what the recorded versions of the YouTube, and that you can ask me questions. And so good thing we're moving on, and then we're actually teaching people the best strategy to maximize money making in the crypto space without wasting your resources to third-party platform. So thank you very much. My name is Felix Medai Jimo, and I'm the team leader of Plan B Express. And what we do is entrepreneur platforms, and we educate people about cryptocurrency and give counsel and advice, or educational advice and informational advice about how to go and navigate the best out of the crypto space. So thank you very much.